Officially the first weekend of summer, and it's starting off extremely hot. Potentially dangerous heat prompting an AccuWeather alert. For more on that, let's send things over to Heisel Martinez. Good morning, Heisel.
Good morning. Yes, we have heat index values between 100 and 105 today, tomorrow, and Monday. So yes, dangerous heat, especially because we're not expecting to drop much overnight. With overnight temperatures in the upper 70s and low 80s, it's going to feel tropical, and so there's not much relief from the heat overnight and into the morning hours. We do have an extreme heat warning in effect for Cook County for heat index values close to 105. We are all under those alerts. That heat advisory in effect for the orange in color, so that includes all of us here. That heat going to continue for the entire weekend and as we kick off the week as well. Temperatures right now starting to heat up. It's 83 degrees in Oak Lawn, 83 in Joliet. Coal City is at 82, the lakefront at 81. So a look here at the next 12 hours to show you that by the time we get to lunchtime, we're already at that 90-degree mark. Mid 90s for our high temperatures, feeling more like 105.
The Chicago mayor and the National Weather Service has issued an extreme heat warning for the following counties: Northern Cook, Central Cook, and Southern Cook-Keweenaw. Recommended actions: drink plenty of fluids, stay in an air-conditioned room, stay out of the sun, and check up on relatives and neighbors. Take extra precautions when outside. Wear lightweight and loose-fitting clothing. Try to limit strenuous activities to early morning or evening. Take action when you see symptoms of heat exhaustion and heat stroke.